Guys, good morning, good afternoon. Right now I'm on my way to the bank because yesterday my card got compromised, and I called the fraud team at the bank. They shut down my card, so now I have to go to the bank and sign one form so I can see if I can get my money back. So rain's falling right now. I'm at the bus stop under the shed, so join with me to the bank and all, because I have a lot of things to do today. So guys, I'm not across the water today. No shoes. Guys, right now it's like the bank is right across the road, but if I go, I want to swim in the water with my shoes, and I don't want my shoes to get wet. So I don't think I'll go into the bank again. But if not, how much reach home? So there's no, so I'll go to the supermarket, buy something blah blah blah. Get amazing. I'm here at the bank waiting. No one asked for my identification. I gave her my passport. So she's telling me about my last transactions. Guys, I can't believe this is happening to me. It's crazy. Oh gosh. And the saddest thing about it is it's like for a Google app for a dating site. A dating site now? A dating site. So yeah. So right here I'm writing a statement stating about the charge that it was not mine. I did not authorize it. I'm not aware of the company. I have not signed up for that dating site, and explain what happened. I saw the message on my phone. I got the alert. I called the customer care number on the back of the card. Just stuff like that. I'm just explaining because the letter would go to the manager of the bank and stuff. So yeah, okay, so once I finish, you sign, you put the date and so forth, you read it over, and then you just yeah. Guys, I'm just leaving the bank. I filled out so many forms. I wrote a statement. In regards to getting my money back, it takes 60 days, but in regards to getting a new card, it takes, what you say, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks. They get to mail it to my address. Rain stop fall, thank God. I'm going to Papi now. Then I link at Edsa for ask how much I'm going to charge for doing a certain hairstyle and stuff. So guys, right now I'm at work, but I'm on lunch. I'm going to Juicy. I get soup. Hopefully I feel soup right now. And yeah, I really want them because I had something for breakfast. I just want soup with some chicken, some stuff I got from Juicy. So yeah. I'm there also. I'm gonna buy an expression. I'm gonna braid my hair 3-pack for $1,800, $600 then. And then I'm going to right now, I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to braid it. So when I go see what's going to be done. So my hair wash already. It's not oil yet, so it's a bit dry. We have ear oil. So watch the process. So as you guys can see, she's just blow drying all my hair so it can stretch to an extent. So that's what she's doing right now. Expression braids, I got 4-pack and 1-pack of Calicolan braids burgundy. So when she was doing my hair, she actually used 2 colors, so it looked like that. So yeah.